Happy Canada Day, Canada. Thank you very much for everything sa buhay. Kaya lang, maulan kami dito. For 11 years dito sa bahay na to, guys. First time kaming nagkaroon ng tubig sa basement. Eh, walang sump-pump yung basement namin kasi nga, never siyang binabaha. So, ngayon, nagawa naman ng paraan. Mister. So, deserve natin tong pagkain na to. May chop suey tayo sa loob. Actually, cook na to eh, no? Cook na to, patayin ko na. Hala, malakas pala to. So, paano to patayin? Okay, yeah. Di marunong mag-off. Uy! Yan, pinatay ko na. Daming lamok.
That was actually might be one of the most curious things I've ever had to do in my life.
Which one?
I had to connect the thing and the thing, and I wasn't sure if I was going to conduct the electricity.
Oh.
So I just screw it, and I just screwed it together anyways. And yeah, it was good.
Ang galing? Sampang? Yan ang nakita mo, sampang?
Eh, siyempre, kung wala kang
Yalak.
papakalasin.
Ayos ah. Kain na tayo eh.
Hindi, may itatawag na ano.
That's
Baka
it.
doon kay next siguro.
Gray!
So may furnace natin. Kaya hindi nabot ang furnace. Ito rin natin, water heater, nabot to. Ito. Makadaan dyan.
Ang dami pala rito.
Kaya nga. Kunin mo lahat kasi may mga sir. Dito pa sa water heater, ang lalim mo dito. Video ba yan? Pakiano mo yung picture at sa pang